Hey guys, Bridget here. In this quick video, I want to share with you a subtle upgrade to the color picker in Figma, which is going to be helpful, especially when working with design systems. So let's get started. And as you can see, the moment that I click on I in order to access the color picker, you're going to notice that we have basically these two values. The first one is essentially the hex code, and the one below is going to be the variable, so basically the color style which has been applied to the design system of this particular project. So you can actually go ahead and use Shift key in order to copy that very style. So for example, if I go ahead and I create a rectangle and then I again, or you can simply click on the color and then click on the color picker icon, you can see that if I go over here and I click on Shift and then I basically select with the left mouse button, then I'm not going to copy the hex code as usual, but I'm actually copying the color style, which in this case it's this one right here. So a subtle upgrade, definitely something to keep in mind, and hopefully this is going to help you in your next design project. Before we leave the video, I want to remind you that I recently released an entire Figma course. So if you're interested in learning Figma and bring your design skills to a next level, this is actually a quite in-depth course since it's over 16 hours of Figma mastery. So feel free to check it out, as well as my other free tutorials on YouTube. So I'll see you in the next one.